Organizations use IBM ECM to increase efficiency, improve control of information, and reduce the overall cost of information management. But once data leaves its protective confines, it cannot provide sufficient security at all times. After ECM documents are downloaded by users, the documents can be read, saved, and printed by any user without restrictions. Thus, the risk of data loss could increase dramatically. The documents can also be sent to any user, and they can access the documents with no restriction. Data loss can also occur when someone loses a device or through malicious attack. ECM is a great tool to store, collaborate, and manage data, which helps organizations to raise productivity. However, once content is outside of ECM, the content could be vulnerable to security breaches. So how do we balance it out? Stop users from downloading documents? Trust users and pray for a miracle? Not the right answer. Data-centric security is the answer for this problem. The Fasoo integrated IBM ECM solution can probably answer all data security questions we've discussed so far. When a user downloads a document from ECM, Fasoo steps in and encrypts the document to provide security outside the repository. Only authorized users can access the protected document according to the ECM permission. For example, a user with view content permission could only view. With modify content, view and edit. With owner control, view, edit, and print the protected document. Users will have different access privileges to the protected documents depending on their ECM permission. The users can share the protected documents with others using email, USB, the cloud, and so on. But only authorized users can use the documents with given access privileges. Users with modify content permission can read and save, but cannot print the protected document. Users with view content permission can only read the document. Users with no ECM permission cannot access the document. Even if data breaches occur through hacking or loss of a device, no worries, since all data is encrypted and controlled. So how persistent is Fasoo data-centric security? Once applied, the protection travels with the document, wherever it goes. Whether at rest, in transit, or even in use. This way, all ECM documents are protected persistently and continuously. What about audit trail of ECM documents? All user or file activities are collected and managed in real time. This allows administrators to monitor and trace the activities of ECM documents. How about policy setting? It's very easy and simple to set up the Fasoo policies for IBM ECM. Administrators can specify a target directory for encryption, and files with predefined security classifications under the directory will be encrypted automatically. Instead of setting up a separate Fasoo policy to ECM files or folders, administrators can map any combination of document permissions, like view, edit, print, or capture, to the existing ECM permissions, such as view content, modify content, or owner control. Using data-centric security features, Fasoo enhances the security of ECM and improves productivity by protecting your most important information at all times. Boost data security for IBM ECM and increase the productivity of your organization.